This isn't something you've asked for. It's not even something that you'll need, but when you see it, you'll want it. I found these, pack of 4 in the range, reduced to £19 floral panels. Let's see what I can do. I've got this GPlan cupboard. I'm going to put some legs on it and I'm going to use these floral panels. So let's get to work. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Wacky Wednesday. Like and subscribe for more useless ideas.